I told you guys, I got the tea, I got the secrets. This is how my hair is looking like. I told ya. I got the tea.
What's goody beautiful people? So to start this look, what I like to do is first apply a deep conditioner. Now this is not a deep conditioner per se, but it is a good conditioner. So I'm going to be applying this all over my hair, and I'm going to be using a heated hooded dryer just so it can soak up the moisture. I like to do it like this because my hair is really dry. Curly hair period is just usually dry, so no matter the style that I'm doing, I like to deep condition my hair for 10 minutes. So we're gonna wait here on 10 minutes, and then we're gonna jump into the next step. Now, I went ahead off camera for this step, but I washed off the deep conditioner, and you have to wash it off. This is really important because if you don't, it's going to weight your hair down and it will probably create overload moisture. I think that's what's called. Now, the next thing that you want to do is secure the moisture, the water moisture in your hair, and I'm using this oil by Camel Rose. I'll link it down in the description box, and I'm applying this all over my hair just to secure the water. Next step, I am grabbing a kind of like a Denman brush shaped brush and I'm just combing my hair. Now, before you apply the Pillow Soft Curls by Miss Jessies, I recommend that your hair is soaking wet, dripping wet. It is important, especially if you have like 3B, 3C, 3A hair, 4A hair. Like, this is so important because you want this product to just really sink into your hair really well, and then just having your hair soaking wet just does that. Now this is where it gets interesting. As you saw the first part, I just comb my fingers through it, but now I'm going to start finger coils. Now I've noticed something very interesting with Miss Jessie's, and that is that if you just apply it to your regular hair, it feels kind of like very lightweight and it doesn't create much definition. I find that if you do finger coils, then you will have a better definition. And not only that, what's good about the Miss Jessie's is that it doesn't weigh it down. So like, let's say the first day that you apply it, it will feel weighed down, but as the days go by the week, the hair just gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And this is the most important step when styling your hair with Miss Jessie's to get it to look like mine. Again, as you can see, apply loads of water and then finger coil. Now, another important step that I feel is key. Let me say that again. Key, major key in getting your hair to look really defined using the Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls is to really wet your tips and to apply this product on your tips. I feel like my tips are the part of my head where things can really go wrong if I don't apply products. So make sure you apply a little bit of more product onto your tips, not too much. Remember, the littlest product goes a long way. Remember this. Now this is where things get really interesting because the thing is, my curls are all over. Like, I have a bunch of different patterns. So as you can see with the brush, it really was very defined here in the front. However, I have this part on the other side which doesn't get defined as much. You see this one that I'm showing you guys. So this part, I'm gonna finger coil it. The one towards the front of my face, I'm gonna just pass the brush and leave it at that because it doesn't need much help. But the ones that do need help, I'm gonna finger coil it, and I suggest you do the same. Now this part is really crucial, which is how you want your curls to fall, like where you want them to fall, or like how you want them to style it in a way. So I like to style my hair so it can look to the front and up. So that's why I'm bringing all of my hair to the front, and I'm doing finger coils towards the front. Don't worry about it. It will shrink. I mean, I have bangs too. So if you don't have bangs, then try to part it on the middle or on the side. It depends. It really depends on how you like it. But since I have bangs, I am styling these finger coils to the front. And the last thing that I'm doing is the little coil on the top. The little cone on the top. Now, this little cone is super important because this little cone is what's going to give you volume. You don't want to apply a lot of product on the roots of this little cone of hair. You just want to apply it kind of like two fingers down your hair, and you're going to finger coil those hairs towards the front because later on they're going to kind of like just get bigger and bigger, and they will look up like they're like defying gravity. And boom, there you have it. My hair is defined and it looking good.
You guys see my hair, but this is how my hair looks in natural lighting. I'm not gonna apply any more products because the deal with Miss Jessies, and something that I really realized the first time that I bought it, is that you have it's fluffy. It's supposed to move around. So the more product that you apply, the less your hair is going to move. So you want to keep it as simple as possible. So I just apply a little bit of oil on the bottom, and then I apply the Miss Jessies on the top. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Guys, a little update that I wanted to give you guys so you can see the process of air drying this hair. So it's 3 p.m. Hopefully you guys can see it on the screen. Hopefully. So it's 3 p.m. and this is how my hair is drying. As you can see, it has shrunk a little bit. It's becoming more voluminous. You can see a lot of more volume, and now it's not dripping wet. I expect throughout the hours to pass to get more voluminous, and also to get more kind of puffy. So yeah, this is how my hair looks at 3 p.m. I'm trying to show you guys from the back. And yeah, this is how I style my hair using Miss Jessies. What's good, guys? So it's 5:30 p.m. and this is how my hair is looking.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
I told ya. This will be nice. I told ya. I got the tea. I got the secret. And here it is.